How's it? So in this tutorial, we're just going to quickly install OpenTofu, which is an open source version or fork of Terraform, which is an infrastructure as code service. So we're just going to Google for install OpenTofu for Windows. We're going to go to the main pop-up here, and the one specifically for Windows is a standalone. So it's a standalone executable, and they suggest to run a PowerShell script and do a checksum and so on, but I'm just going to do something slightly simpler. I'm just going to go to the latest release on GitHub. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the Windows AMD 64. I'm going to download that zip file. I'm then going to extract it and copy and paste the executable into the default installation folder. So it's going to be in this PC, users Chris for me, and it'll be an app data, and you'll need to be able to see hidden items as a setting in your file explorer. You'll need to go to local, programs, and then in here you're going to want to create a new folder called OpenTofu. Just paste your exe in there, and now you're going to want to add this exe or this folder to the set of environment variables that you have. The easiest way to do that is just to edit the system environment variables. Go to environment variables here, click on your path and click for the user variables for Chris, click edit and just create a new and just paste that path in there. Click OK, click OK, click OK. You then can open up PowerShell or anything else, and the command tofu should work. Now, if you don't have admin privileges to open up your environment variables that way, there's another way that you can do it. And so, yeah, the other way that you can do it is through a PowerShell command. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a variable in your PowerShell called the install path. So that should be the path to the OpenTofu, the one that we just added. And what you're going to want to do is then run this command setx path. And once that's set, you should be able to close everything and reopen, and it'll have updated for the user. Again, running tofu should be able to work just the same way.